I usually walk quickly for exercise, but today I slowed down. I look up. I observe the sky. Today, I was inspired to slow down, to observe, think, and wonder about the beach. I wonder who made these footprints. I wonder how old are these pandanus palms. And I notice the roots. Look at the shapes and the lines and the shadows. I stop and wonder about the Aboriginal people who used to live here. Now I wonder, what are you thinking? What do you think it would feel like to be walking on my beach? What might you hear if you were standing beside the sea? Maybe you've noticed the sun is reflecting on the water. Observe closely. What do you think this is? Before I go home, I stop. I reflect. And I'm glad I took time to observe, think, and wonder about this beautiful beach. I walk barefoot. I feel the different textures. Hey Toby, you missed a lovely morning at the beach.